Hi everyone, India here from Presentation College. I wanted to hop on really quick and just talk to you about some of our dual credit options that we're offering for this spring. So if you're thinking about taking any college credits in the spring, we welcome juniors and seniors in high school to either take online classes or come take these classes on campus with us. So I wanted to really quickly go through some of these classes and kind of talk about what they could be and if it's of any interest to you. Medical terminology is going to be learning about all the terms in the medical field, so lots of definitions, the usage of the words, things like that. General biology 2, it also has a lab component that you would take with it. This is going to be focused more on animals and organs and reproductive systems and things like that. Medical microbiology, this one also has a lab. So again, if you're going into nursing, healthcare field, something like that, you're going to need this course, a lot of those sciences, microbiology, things like that. Going down to business communications, this is a business writing class, so learning about writing for a business, whether it's marketing or letters, different things like that. Chemistry for Health Professions is an intro to chemistry class, but it's more specifically targeted toward healthcare fields. So you're going to be learning general, organic, biochemistry, things like that, but really healthcare specific. Corrections is a criminal justice course, and this is talking about kind of the history of our correction system in America, operations, effectiveness, things like that. Going into policing, this is also a criminal justice course. This is going to be more about like police and society and kind of our police system overall, which could be really appropriate to the time that we're in right now. Computer management systems, this is a business class. You're going to learn about computers in business. You're also going to learn about Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint. All those are really good skills that you're going to need to know. Going down to communication skills, interpersonal communication, this is kind of like a speech class, so you're going to be doing a lot of activities where you're critically listening, critically thinking, giving speeches, learning how to communicate, things like that. College Composition 1, this is going to be your first college comp course, so lots of writing, lots of reading. Most majors require this as a course, so this is definitely a good course for you to take. Theory of Coaching Football, this one seems really interesting. There's more to football than just the game that you watch on Saturday. So definitely learning about the history, the foundation, all the strategies and the theory and the different things like that behind football. So that could be really cool. Personal health and well-being, this class is definitely less of a time commitment because it's only 1 credit and it doesn't start until March. So if you're looking for something maybe not quite as crazy, you could do this class. This class talks about the 6 dimensions of wellness and how to develop healthy lifestyles, healthy decisions, things like that. Modern Western Culture 2 is going to be kind of the second half of Western culture, so World War II and after, how World War II affected society, how things changed, and all the history behind that. Principles of Healthcare, this is going to be kind of if you're wanting to be an administrator in healthcare, so like managing a clinic or managing a hospital, different things like that. So the different situations that you might come across in healthcare, communicating, different things like that. Human diseases, this is learning about diseases, and actually this course does have a prerequisite, so you do have to take medical terminology before you take human diseases. So if you haven't taken medical terminology yet, start with that one and then you can take diseases next. Math, 243 is statistics, so this is going to be your typical statistics course. A lot of our programs require this, so if you're good at math and feeling confident, go ahead and take this course, that'd be great. The next one is general psychology. This is also going to be a lot of writing, a lot of case studies, comparing different things. A lot of courses require this class as well. And then our last one that we're kind of thinking would be good for high school students would be our Fundamentals of Radiologic Science class. So if you're wanting to be in the rad tech field, so that's where you take x-rays in the hospital, this could be a really good class for you. So it's going to be an overview. You're going to learn all the definitions, the foundations, and all of that good stuff. Okay, so let's jump over really quick and I'm going to show you how to register for any of these classes. And I know that was a lot of really fast information. So if you want me to send you that list, I totally can. Just go ahead and email us at admissions and we'll get you in touch with that. So we're going to go to our Presentation College website and we're going to search high school because you're a high school student taking dual credit. And this very first one where it says registrar, that's what you want to click on. So it's going to take us to the registrar page because you officially sign up with the registrar. So the other thing you can do is you can look at course offerings and see all of our courses for the spring. You can look at the college catalog, and if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you can find course descriptions. So if you want to know exactly what it says about a certain course, you can find that. And then this is what you're going to want. This is the high school dual enrollment application. So this is a fillable PDF, so you can fill in what you can and then print it off. So we're going to need to know what course you want to take, what day or time, or if it's online, all of your information. We're going to need you and your parent or guardian to sign it, and then also someone at your high school, so either your principal or your counselor or somebody like that, just to make sure that they're good with you taking this course. So once you have this form filled out, you can submit it to our registrar's office right here. You can scan it and email it in or mail it in. If you have questions, you can call the registrar, or you can reach out to our admissions office. Our email is admit, ADMIT, @presentation.edu. So if you have questions about dual courses or you want to know more, just go ahead and reach out and we'll be happy to help. Thanks, guys. Bye.